Hey guys, welcome to another grey day here. It has been raining all of yesterday and since this morning, so I'm going to cheer myself up with some pakoras because there's only one solution to rain, which is one thing to enjoy with the rain is the pakora and chai. So masala chai recipe is already on the channel. I am sharing something very seasonal. So I have got some fresh little baby courgettes because they are right now in season, and I'm going to make courgette and red onion delicious lovely pakoras. So super simple. I've got a I'm going to grate this quite coarsely, not fine, and this is going to have some liquid in it which is going to help with the batter. And I like to add some garlic to this because it's just garlic and it really needs to go into everything. I'm just going to finely grate this one. So courgettes are a bit, soft and soggy, and I've added the garlic for that lovely flavor, and red onions are purely for the crunch. So I've just got one medium sized red onion and I'm going to thinly slice and add that. You obviously can add normal onion, you can add shallots, whatever you have at home. Basically, you just want that lovely crunch. It doesn't matter what form of onion you are using, and this one's quite strong, so there it goes. These are so simple, and while I'm mixing this, I've put some sunflower oil in a pan, in a kadhai, and it's heating up. So as soon as this is ready, I can fry it straight without wasting any time. God. Right. Not much to add to this, just a little bit of chili powder. So like half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add gram flour. So next goes in some gram flour. So I'm just doing tablespoons so that it's easier for you guys. I'll tell you the weight of this as well. So I've got, God, I forgot how many tablespoons that was. I've got 70 grams of gram flour, and I'm just going to coat this very well. Where I said, because of the moisture in the courgettes, it's just going to start sticking quite straight away, even before we add any water at all. Now it needs a bit more flour, so I'm going to add some rice flour for the extra crunch. Also, so this rice flour is just going to add lovely crispiness to the pakora. So I've got 50 grams of this. Just going to mix it. So what I'm trying to say is that it's not the kind of batter where it's there's more liquid and less vegetables. It's all about the vegetables, and the batter is just there to kind of bring it together. So as you can see, actually I don't need any water whatsoever because that is going to be plenty. I'm just going to add 10 more grams of the gram flour, and that's should be all. If you just squash it, it will release more moisture, and it doesn't need any water at all. Look at that. Right, time to fry this up. So there is so much moisture in here. Come here, look at this, that it's gone all sticky. I haven't added a drop of water. I've just squashed it and it's released all the liquid. And that's the beauty of these pakoras. If you want, you can add chopped up green chilies. It's never happened, but unfortunately I haven't got any green chilies at home, which is disasters, which is why I've added the red chilies. Anyways, I'm taking a portion in my hand and I'm squashing it slightly, or you can take smaller portions. Let's do smaller portions. Very, very carefully take a small portion, flatten it slightly, and then put it straight in. Same portion, flatten, straighten. I'm going to do this in a few batches, and then once it's bubbling, just turn the heat low, because you don't want to cook it in 2 minutes. You want to, no, you don't want to cook it in 2 seconds. You want to take a few minutes to do this, otherwise they won't be crispy. Once it's starting to get a bit golden, just turn them over. And you want to cook the other side as well, of course. Oh, these are going to be so good. And once they've cooked both sides, all that's left to do is get them out on some kitchen roll and fry the rest of the lot. Look at those sizzling courgette beauties. And here they are, courgette and red onion. I can't wait. Onion pakoras. Look at that. The onions have softened. Sorry. Boy, it's good. Oh, you can taste the courgettes, you can taste gram flour. It's crispy with the rice flour. And you know how I'm going to eat it? Right. So, I would normally serve this with a lovely coriander chutney. If you're looking for a coriander chutney, the next recipe I will share on my channel is a lovely coriander chutney. So don't forget to subscribe and tune in this week. If you click the bell button, then you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. Right, I'm going to serve it because I haven't got a green chutney at home. Just some white bread. Just making do with what I have at home. Some mayo and ketchup. Some pakoras. Some sandwich. And eat. That is awesome. I'm going to make some tea. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.